Hello and welcome to wolfswings.com. My name is Zach Wolfe, owner of Wolfe's Wings, and our business was designed to help you make crispy, all-natural, restaurant-quality wings from home for about 50 cents each. In order for everyone to make a product that is worthy of our name, we need to both create a product and a process to help you in your journey. I wanted to give you a quick video to explain both the website and our product to help you as you navigate for the first time. So of our menu options, which if you're on a mobile device is the three bars at the top of the screen, it will show you the menu options. We have the products page where we have our all-natural crispy wing mix and our all-natural ranch mix, in addition to some rice bran oil and other products that we might add down the line. The first is our all-natural crispy chicken wing breading. It is a plain breading mix with 4 natural ingredients. It is not just flour taken from your pantry. It was a special blend of 4 different ingredients to give you an incredible crunch on every bite, as well as seasoning that can be eaten plain right out of the fryer with no sauce whatsoever. Or you can add sauce to it, as we show in videos, whether you want to add buffalo sauce or barbecue sauce or any hot sauce. We also sell an all-natural ranch seasoning mix, which is added to ingredients from a grocery store to make an incredible thick, creamy ranch that does not have the preservatives that's in nearly every ranch that's available today. On our products page, we currently have rice bran oil that is incredibly healthy compared to most oils on the market. You've probably never heard of it because most grocery stores don't sell it, but it has a lot of nutritional value that most oils do not. In addition to the products page, we have a recommended tab. The recommended tab is all the other items that we don't currently sell, but we recommend, such as fryers and sauces, squirter bottles, bowls, you name it. Those are ones that we've tried over the years and can recommend them if you do not currently have them. We also have an instructions tab. Once you've watched our videos and you want to do it for the first time, I recommend you download or print the instructions page. We have them for both an oil fryer and an air fryer. You can print it off, set it right next to your fryer, walk you through the process, and once you've done it twice, you're probably never going to need them again, but it does help when you're initially getting started without going back and pausing my videos. Which brings me to my next point. Underneath this video right here is a link to our YouTube channel. That channel has all of our instructional videos. I have created very in-depth videos to show you how to make restaurant quality wings in both an oil fryer and an air fryer. All of those videos are listed on our channel, so if you click that link right down below this video, I highly recommend you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notifications when we add new videos along the way. You will also see at the bottom of the page all of our social media outlets. We have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which we recommend you subscribe to because we will be posting videos to multiple locations when we do that. So this business is helping you make restaurant quality chicken wings from home. We have instructional videos on our YouTube site. We have products listed under our products page, and everything combined will help you make an incredible product every single time for about 50 cents each. So that's it, guys. Hopefully that answers your initial questions about who we are and what we do. I encourage you to browse our website, visit our YouTube channel for all of our videos, and subscribe to our social media platforms. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoy Wolfe's Wings.